massive bullish reversal potentially, let me show you the bigger picture. Now, this is very important because the 200 weekly moving average is a massive level. Here you can see this is the Bitcoin price on the logarithmic chart over the course of the whole life cycle of Bitcoin since 2011. Now, the red.
Now let's talk about the new project I'm running here, Call Trade Crypto. This is the new software we developed with friends, and now we're gonna start to share those trades on the private list just for members. Guys, let me show you the last trades we share in the private list. We talk about over 380% profit in the last 48 hours. We talk about Numeraire, Pudding X, vaiot, travala, flock, and ascent. Guys, take a look at these charts. We always focus on the same strategy. Price go flat, the volume spike right here, and price pump. Price goes flat, the volume spikes right here, and price pump. Let me show you in the charts how these things work. Right here on July 28, my software alert me, and I share this trade in the private list. Pudding X, our trade crypto members, we bought this coin for 40 cents, guys. We put a sell order at 70 cents. We made over 70% profit. Huge returns in Pudding X. One more trade is a Numeraire, guys. We made 60% profit on July 30. Yesterday, I shared this trade in the private list. We bought this coin for $17 and we put a sell order at 28. We made over 60%. Guys, like I always mention, the software we create calculate volume spike plus buyer power. This is all the volume spike here. You see the volume spike here, 106%. You don't see here because the software keep updating, but to the coin hits here, the volume needs spike. So I can control the volume spike plus buyer power. You will help me to find those pumps. So we trade pumps. We just made over 380% profit in the last 48 hours. If you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, calltradecrypto@gmail.com. The software is running and we're gonna share this trade only for members. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Calltradecrypto@gmail.com is the way to make money. Bye bye.